Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove YouTube channel banner on your mobile phone. So it's pretty simple. Without wasting time, let's get started. So first of all, what you guys have to do is simply open up YouTube app on your mobile phone. So for that you have to just simply search for YouTube in your mobile phone and open up simply YouTube and simply click on below right corner of you to open up your profile. So after opening up your profile, you have to just simply click on your profile. So after tapping on your profile, you guys have to just simply click on this pen icon here. So after clicking on this pencil icon, and you guys can see there is no any way to remove our YouTube banner. But we guys can just simply change a banner by just clicking on top right corner of the camera icon and simply take a photo from the gallery and you simply change. But there is no way to remove. So how we can remove it? So for that you have to just simply go back, simply open up any of your browser. So after opening up any of your browser, you have to just simply search for YouTube Studio. So in your browser, simply search for YouTube Studio and click on the first website, which is YouTube Studio. So after opening up YouTube Studio, you have to just simply zoom out to this panel, and here you have to just simply search for this customization or click on this customization button. So you guys can just simply click on it. So after clicking on that, this kind of interface will appear to you. Now here you have to just simply click on this branding icon here. So after clicking on this branding icon here, you guys can see here is the banner image here, and here is the remove button which is right next to here. So what you have to do is simply click on this remove button. So after clicking on remove button, you guys can see the banner has been removed. Now in order to make changes, you have to just simply click on this publish icon. So after clicking on this publish icon, what it can do is it can basically remove the banner from your YouTube channel. So I hope this methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.